Hi, this is Tracy Crotney Productions, and this Tracy Crotney Productions, I'm going to show some movies I never showed you that I got, DVDs that I got that I never showed, random DVDs I got. Little Fockers with Robert De Niro, Ben Stiller, Owen Wilson, Dustin Hoffman, Barbra Streisand. And here's the disc. Little Fockers. And it says on the back, hilarious gag reel, alternate opening, ending, not seen in theaters, deleted scenes, and making a good Godfucker and more. And then I got Anger Management, the full screen special edition, Adam Sandler and Jack Nicholson. And so right here. See that? Anger Management. I love that movie. It's a cool movie comedy and stuff. Jack Nicholson's great in that. Ben Stiller too. I already showed that one. And then nothing on that. Then I have the Lawnmower Man with Pierce Brosnan and Jeff Fadley. There it is right here. I like Lawnmower Man. It's a cool movie. They made a sequel to it, but it wasn't as good. See, there's the blank disc. And it says right here for special features. Widescreen confirmed new digital high definition transfer of the film. Audio commentary with director Brett Leonardo, producer Gimme Everett. 12 deleted scenes, on-screen interviews with the stars. Star highlights showcasing the separate clips from 3 of our other movies. Ending anime situations and original music. Storyboard conversation. Original theatrical trailer. Cast and biographers of the film biographers. Downloadable digital multi-channel surround sound. Which is cool. Yeah, that'll be part. That'd be good. So it's been a Tracy Crotney production saying, where did that one? Anger Management. Oh, hold on. Anger Management. See if I put it right. Lawnmower Man. Little Fockers. Anger Management. So this has been a Tracy Crotney production saying, subscribe if you're new. Turn on that bell. Ding! You'll be notified every time I make a new video. So if this video can get like 3 likes, I'll give you my Facebook name and you can talk on there. Okay? So this has been Tracy Crotney production saying, I'll see you next time. Bye.